There's a black hole out there that breaks every rule we've ever written about how the universe works. And according to our best physics, it's completely, utterly impossible. Yet it exists. I mean that Nobel Prize-winning physicists, the world's leading cosmologists, and astronomers using the most powerful telescope ever built, looked at this object and said, quote, "This breaks the laws of physics as we understand them." This is Hudl Videos, and today we're diving into the black hole that's forcing us to rewrite the rulebook on reality itself. The timeline that doesn't add up. Here's the problem, and I need you to really grasp this because it's mind-bending. Imagine you plant an acorn in your backyard. Then you go inside for lunch, come back 30 minutes later, and find a massive oak tree towering over your house. Full-grown, ancient-looking, hundreds of years old. That's exactly what we're dealing with here. We're talking millions of times the mass of our sun, but it existed when the universe was just 600 million years old. To put that in perspective, our current models say it would take several billion years for a black hole to grow this large. The growth problem. Let me explain why this black hole shouldn't exist, and I promise I'll make it as clear as possible. Stay with me here, because this is crucial. The Eddington limit means black holes can only grow so fast. Even if you dumped unlimited food into a black hole, there's a maximum rate at which it can consume matter without blowing away its own fuel supply. Do you see the problem? The physics doesn't allow it. The math categorically says impossible, and yet there it is. The alternative theories. When confronted with the impossible, scientists do what they do best. They get creative. Maybe, some suggested, this black hole fed at super Eddington rates. Perhaps in the chaotic early universe, black holes could exceed the normal feeding limit, gorging themselves faster than physics typically allows. But even that doesn't work, so astronomers were forced to consider something more radical, something that challenges our fundamental understanding of how black holes form in the first place. Born big. What if this black hole didn't grow to its current size at all? What if it was born massive? This is where things get truly wild. The discovery of UHZ-1 has breathed new life into a controversial theory called direct collapse black holes, or DCBHS. Here's the idea. In the early universe, under very specific conditions, massive clouds of primordial gas, we're talking tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of solar masses, could collapse directly into black holes without ever forming stars first. No supernova, no stellar evolution, just pure gravitational collapse into a massive black hole from the start. The recipe for the impossible.